Good day to whoever is watching this video. So I'm gonna be showing what you can do on the Google Analytics demo account. So the first thing you do, you can just go to Google and type Google Analytics demo account, and then I'm gonna send you here. What you do is just choose access demo account, then it's gonna give you these options, and then you can choose whatever demo property you want to use here. So I'm going to be using this one in Universal Analytics property. So it's going to send you here, the page is still loading, but you're going to see the overview of the data, and there it is. And then the data that is here is from the store, everything that's happening here, and then this is the data for that. Here on the right top hand side, you can see the date. There's a date, and then I'm gonna be going through the data from, you can choose the data range that you want to use, but for me I'm gonna be using the range of last 30 days, and then I'm gonna say, you just say apply, and then now it's showing you the data from March 21 until April 19, 2022, and then you can just go through everything here and just try to analyze the data and see what's going on in the store. And another thing you can do, here, you can see, you can compare the data. So if you want to compare, for example, let's say you're comparing this period from March 21, April 19, 2022, let's say, to the previous year, let me just say apply. So as you can see, there is the overview. You can just go in depth and go to each tab bar to look for what's going on. And if you can see, this here we have these two pie charts comparing the new visitors for this year, and then the returning visitors, and also new visitors and returning visitors from last year. And let me just go back and not compare and just use the data from the last 30 days of this year, and say apply. So from there you can just go to audiences. So I want to go to audiences and check the demographics. It's always nice to check the age and the gender that is dominating your platform or store. So as you can see, you have more males than females, and then you can also just go to age, and then there we can see what is the average age. Like our users, most of our users ranging from 25 to 34, and then this is on this you can see the number of users, then the new users, the sessions, bounce rate. As you can see there, for this age 25 to 34, they have a bounce rate of 40, and then which means they don't spend a lot of time on the on the website. And the age that has a quite if you can see 65, people from 65 upwards, they have a 47 bounce rate. And then let's check at the revenue. You can see for 65 going up, they have a revenue of $5,000, and then for 25 to 34 it is $41. So that also has to do with the amount. If you can see the number of users from the age of 25 to 34 is 9,000, and then for this 165 it's only 771, but you're still making money. So let's go to, and then you can just also go to acquisition, and there's a lot of things you can do. We can check the traffic, but I'm gonna check Google Ads and see how are the ads performing. Are we making money on our investment, or what's going on? So if you can see Google, they had a campaign. So these are the campaign IDs. So they had this campaign, and then the campaign is called Test One, and you can see going down there's a lot of campaigns that they ran. And okay, the goal for all of these campaigns looked like the goal was clicks, to gain clicks to Google Merchandise Store. This is what the budget was, $1,518. Let's see, they spent $1.5. Let's see what was the revenue. So if you go here, you see they spent $1.5, but they didn't make that money back. As you can see, the revenue from that Google ad campaign, it was $63. So, but I don't know, maybe people were not using the Google Ad search links to go to the website, so they didn't quite make a lot of money from there. And you can just go through here and then see. You can also see cost per clicks. It was 44 cents, which is not a lot of money. And then, so another thing, it is also nice just to see the shopping behavior of the users. So you can, if you want to look at that, you can just go to conversions, and then from there go to e-commerce, and then go to shopping behavior. You can also see, you can check the product performance there. You can check the checkout behavior, the sales performance. There's a lot of things that you can do. So if you can see here on this shopping behavior, so the number of sessions is there. So if you have 90,000 sessions, and then but from that 90,000 sessions, on 87,000 are not shopping. It's not for shopping activity. And then you can see also sessions with product views 0. Out of all this number, no one viewed any product, and then no cart additions. They didn't add anything to carts. You can see there, and then cart abandonment 0% also. And then sessions with checkout from this number, and then the number of sessions with checkout, it's 3,168. And then from this number, 1,311 abandoned their checkout. And then from there we were left with 1,897 sessions. Those are the sessions with transactions. So as I've said, you can also check the checkout behavior, the product performance, to see which products are performing more. What can we do to help the ones that are not performing more? All those kind of things. I mean, there's a lot of data, there's a lot of things you can do. There's a lot of things you can even check the real time, or what users are doing in real time on the Google Merchandise Store, their behavior, their activity, all those things. I mean, there's quite a lot of data here, but that's how I'm gonna be ending the video. Thank you for your time.